Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss how to calculate the power calculations for this log number. So I have recorded the whole solution for the cost of carry model, but due to some technical issues I am unable to share that link because it is not visible. So in that solution this method of calculating this power calculation is very important. So if you get to know this easily, we can solve the problem with the help of the screen recorders, as I have done the earlier problems. So calculating this log number for this power calculation, we can do it with the help of the scientific calculator. As in the examination it is not allowed to use the scientific calculators, we will, with the help of this normal calculator, we will solve the method for calculating the power calculation. So first take this log number, that is 2.718. So first method is we have to do this square root 19 times. We have to press the square root 19 times. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 and 19. So this is the first method. So second is we have to minus 1 from it. So minus 1 is the second step. Third is we have to multiply whatever the power we have. So here the power is 0.0225. So we have to multiply that. So into 0.0225. So this value we will get. So after that, the next step, the fourth step is we have to add 1. So add 1. This is the figure we will get. So last step, fifth step is we have to into and equal 19 times. We have to press this into button and equal button at a time for 19 times. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 and 19. So this is the figure value we are getting. So it is 1.0 2275 is there, no? So we can make it 227 or 0.228 also we can get, because we have 5, we can increase 1 here. So hope you understood this. First we have to cancel the log value, this number, for press the square root for 19 times. Next we have to minus 1. Next whatever the value we have, then we have to multiply. Next we have to add 1. Next we had to press into and equal button for 19 times. So the square root is 1.0228 for this log number. So if you have any doubts, you ask me. If you don't understand, then also I will share you Lokesh sir link, in which he is also explaining the same concept but with another power. So okay, thank you.